Welcome to our channel. If you're a nature lover or just curious by nature, you're in for a treat. Today, we're exploring 49 amazing animal facts that you'll want to share with everyone. Whether you're fascinated by the smallest creatures or the largest beasts, we've got something for you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the wonderful world of animals. And if you learn something new, don't forget to hit that like button. The incredible tarantula. Did you know that the largest spiders in the world, tarantulas, can survive without food for more than 2 years? Imagine going that long without a meal. These resilient creatures have adapted to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Doggy fingerprints. Just like humans have unique fingerprints, a dog's nose print is absolutely one of a kind. In fact, it can be used for identification, much like our fingerprints are used in forensic science. The unblinking snake. Snakes never blink. Ever. These fascinating reptiles don't have eyelids, so if you ever find yourself in a staring contest with one, don't expect to win. Meet Jaws the goldfish. The most popular name for a goldfish? It's Jaws. But here's a fun fact. If you keep a goldfish in the dark, it will turn pale. So, if you're planning on getting one, make sure to give it plenty of light. The woodpecker's resilience. Woodpeckers are nature's drilling machines, capable of pecking at wood up to 20 times per second, and somehow they manage to avoid splitting headaches. The vanishing jellyfish. If you leave a jellyfish under bright sunlight, it will eventually disappear. These delicate creatures are made up of 98% water, so they can quite literally evaporate. Hippo's pink sweat is quite fascinating. This oily fluid not only cools their massive bodies, but also acts as a moisturizer and sunblock. Plus, it has antibiotic properties to protect them from infections. Isn't that amazing? Monkeys in Japan have figured out how to buy snacks from vending machines, using coins. If a monkey can do it, we should have no trouble at all. Quite clever, don't you think? Frogs don't need to drink water because they absorb it through their skin. This unique adaptation helps them stay hydrated in various environments. Nature sure is incredible. The giant worms of South Africa. South Africa is home to worms that can reach lengths of up to 22 feet. If you have a fear of worms, you might want to steer clear of this region. Our slimy cousins. We share 70% of our DNA with slugs, believe it or not. And while slugs might not live long, only about 1.5 years, they're still remarkable creatures. Flamingos and upside-down dining. Flamingos can only eat with their heads upside down. Imagine trying to eat a meal while doing a handstand. Now that's a challenge. Gorillas can eat up to 40 pounds of food a day. That's like eating 160 bananas in a single day. Imagine that diet. When seahorses mate, they mate for life. And they even hold on to each other's tails while traveling. How adorable is that? Oysters have the amazing ability to change their gender whenever they need to, choosing the best option for mating at the moment. Cats are famous for their ear movements, and it's no wonder they have 32 muscles in each ear. That's why they can rotate and twitch their ears so precisely. Newborn pandas are incredibly tiny. They weigh about as much as a small cup of coffee and are smaller than a mouse. It's hard to believe they grow into such large animals. The lion may be the king of the jungle, but it's the lioness that does 90% of the hunting. Girl power at its finest. Horned lizards have a terrifying defense mechanism. They can shoot blood from their eyes to deter predators. Now that's a shocking way to stay safe. Did you know an octopus has 3 hearts? And a whale's heart beats just 9 times per minute, slowly and powerfully, moving blood through their massive bodies. Out of 5,000 North Atlantic lobsters, one is born bright blue, and these amazing creatures can regenerate lost limbs, making them true survivors. The flying hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. Plus, They can flap their wings up to 80 times per second. That's some serious speed. Giraffes and tongue cleaning. Giraffes use their long tongues to clean their own ears. How flexible are they? Iguanas, the daredevils. Iguanas can fall from heights as tall as 40 feet and walk away unscathed. They truly are tough creatures. An ostrich's eye is larger than its brain, but that doesn't stop them from being one of the fastest animals on two legs. While camels are famous for surviving without water, rats can actually go longer without it than camels can. Who knew? The newborn Chinese water deer is so tiny that it can fit in the palm of your hand. These little ones are unbelievably cute. Water creatures like dolphins, whales, and even alligators can drown if they stay underwater too long. It's a reminder that even the masters of the sea have their limits. If you pour a little alcohol on a scorpion, it will sting itself to death. This unusual fact might just save you in a pinch. Baby kangaroos, or joeys, are born no bigger than an inch. They're tiny enough to get lost in their mother's pouch. No wonder they stay so close. 31. Poisonous butterflies. Not all butterflies are harmless. One species in Africa produces poison potent enough to kill 6 cats. Think twice before underestimating these colorful creatures. 32. Tiger stripes inside and out. A tiger's skin is striped just like its fur. The stripes aren't just on the surface, they're skin deep. 33. The flea's jump. Fleas are incredible jumpers. They can leap 20 times higher than their own height. If humans could do that, we'd be able to jump as high as the Empire State Building. The muscle-packed caterpillar. Caterpillars might look soft and squishy, but one has 248 muscles in its head alone. That's more muscles than some of us use in a workout. Turtle talk. You can tell the gender of a turtle by its sound. Females hiss while males grunt. Next time you see a turtle, listen closely. Dogs' peeing habits. Male dogs lift their legs to pee high, aiming to appear larger and more intimidating. Some African wild dogs even try to climb trees while peeing to show off their size. Monarch butterflies have an astounding 12,000 eyes, and these googly-eyed creatures can lay over 250 eggs in a single day. Starfish have eyes too, one on each of their 8 legs, so they can see in all directions at once. Moles are expert diggers, capable of tunneling 300 feet in just one night. If they ever decided to break out of prison, they'd be unstoppable. A giraffe's heart pumps twice as hard as a cow's to get blood all the way up to its brain. That's one powerful heart. Exoskeletons aren't just in sci-fi movies. Creatures like butterflies have them in real life. Their skeletons are on the outside, protecting them from the world. The word Dumbledore isn't just a character from Harry Potter, it's an old term for a type of bee. Who knew? Talking to pets. One study found that 33% of dog owners talk to their pets on the phone or leave messages when they're away. Are you one of them? The squid's giant eye. A squid's eye is as large as a basketball. Imagine what it must be like to see the world through those eyes. The crocodile's immovable tongue. A crocodile's tongue is attached to the roof of its mouth so it can't move it. They might not be able to taste much, but it doesn't stop them from being fearsome predators. 46. Cows with accents. Just like humans, cows have accents. Depending on where they're from, they moo with a regional twang. A small-brained predator. A crocodile's brain is no bigger than a cigar, but it's still one of the most dangerous predators around. Size isn't everything. The mysterious wolf. There's never been a recorded incident of a healthy wolf attacking a human, so if you see one in the wild, it's probably more scared of you than you are of it. Squirrels. The accidental gardeners. Squirrels bury nuts all the time, but they often forget where they hid them. These forgotten nuts grow into trees, making squirrels some of the planet's best accidental gardeners. Now that you've learned these incredible animal facts, which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For more fascinating content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you next time.